So, in this module, I want to discuss our third one, 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. So, what are the given numbers 1 and 2? So, rational numbers means we have to write these numbers as rational numbers in the format of p by q. 1 you can write it in the format of 1 and 2 you can write it in the format of 2 by 1. So, 5 rational numbers, right? We have to multiply and divide it. So, 1 and 2, between that we don't know what are the rational numbers. For that, multiply and divide. So, 5 rational numbers, for that we have to make 5 plus 1. So, this is number of rational numbers. Number of rational numbers plus 1, this is the condition. So, this one we will going to multiply and divide. 1 by 1. So, multiply and divide. Multiply and divide with 6. With 6. So, that is 1 by 1 into 6 by 6. We can do like this. So, 6 will going to cancel. Again, we will get 1 only. 1 into 6 by 1 into 6. That is what you will get. 6 by 6 we are getting. Again, here 2 also we have to multiply with 2 by 1, that will be 2 into 2 by 1, that is 6 by 6. 2 into 6 by 1 into 6. So 2 6 are 12 by 6. So here in the denominator we have to check denominator value should be equal any time while writing rational numbers. So what you can write 1 by 1 and 2 by 1. So 1 by 1 you can write in the format of 6 by 6 and 2 by 1 we can write it in the format of 12 by 6. Here denominator should be equal. That is compulsory. Denominator should be equal. Should be equal. So here 6 is a common thing. So numerator's difference we have to check. So numerator is started at 6 and ended at 12. So between that how many values are there? So with 1 6 by 6, after 6 by 6 what you can write here is 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6, 11 by 6 and 12 by 6. So how many? 5 rational numbers. We can check it this value, then we will get the some values. So that is 1 and 1 after 6 after, this is the rational numbers. Or we can go with another method, simply 1 and 2. 1 and 2. After 1, how many numbers, rational numbers we can write? So we can write in the format of decimal format, that is p by q only, but that one we can convert it. So 1 after what you can write rational numbers. So let rational numbers between 1 and 2. What you can write here is 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 and so on. Again you can write in the format of another one, 1.11, 1.21, 1.31, 1.41, like that. Again we can write another one. So what is that? 1.112, 1.121, 1.313 or 1.414, etc. We can extend so many numbers, infinite numbers will be there. So infinite number of rational numbers between 1 and 2. We can write so many things. Or another method is we can go with 1 and 2. So it is the format of average. Average we are going to calculate, that is a plus b by 2. So here a and b are n numbers, that is let a will be equal to 1, b will be equal to 2. The rational numbers between that is one rational number, that is a plus b by 2. A is 1 plus 2 by 2, that is 3 by 2. So what is that is 1 comma 3 by 2 and 2. Again we have to go with these combinations. So 1 and 3 by 2 and 2 and 3 by 2. So this combination we have to go. That is 1 plus 3 by 2 whole divided by 2. That is, so we are going to calculate this one as how we will calculate it is. So let's take LCM. 2 plus 3 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 5 by 4. So 5 by 4. Again another combination is what? 3 by 2 plus 2 by 2. So this one first combination and second combination. So 3 plus 4 by 2 into 1 by 2. What you'll get here? So let's take here. This one will be 7 by 4. So what you can write again now it is 1 comma. So 1 and 3 by 2, what value we got? So 1 and 3 by 2 is what value we got here as 5 by 4 comma. What is 3 by 2? Next comma 3 by 2 and 2 combination, one more value is there, that is 7 by 4. So we are finished 3 rational numbers. Again we can calculate the combination with these values and these 2, between that and this 2 and this 2. So in between that, if you calculate average of these 2, we need to write middle of these 2's. So like this you need to find. So all these numbers we're going to write middle of these numbers. So already we have calculated 3 rational numbers, that is 1 comma 5 by 4 comma 3 by 2 comma 7 by 4 comma 2. All these combinations we can calculate this 2 also. Whatever it is there we can calculate like this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.